This video from sharphelp.co.uk will demonstrate how to edit your receipt header message on either the Sharp XEA207 or 307 cash registers. In this video we're using the XEA207, but the programming procedure is exactly the same for the 307. Out the box, these machines come with a 3-line header message and a 3-line footer message with just the standard Sharp text on it. Now before this video I've changed this one to just have a 3-line header message, so the footer message has been removed. Okay, let's have a look at what Sharp put on it as standard. Your £1 sale, print out a receipt. We can see on the receipt we've got the 3 lines, thank you for your purchase. We decide we're going to personalise our till a bit, so perhaps you want to put your shop name on your receipt so the customer knows where they bought it from and it familiarises themselves with your brand or whatever. Okay, we're going to call our shop, for the purposes of this demonstration, The Shop, and we're going to put the first line of the address on the second line, and then we're going to pop in our VAT number as well. This will enable me to show you how to enter capital letters, double-sized letters, and also how to put numbers in. Okay, first of all we need to get to the programming the receipt header message area of the system. To do this, press Mode, then number 6, then the TLNS button, then you scroll down to the setting button, press TLNS, and then all the header messages are controlled under option 10. You type in 10, receipt logos there as standard, so we can just press TLNS, and this now brings up the default settings for the receipt logo. So you can see it says thank you for your purchase, exactly as the receipt we just printed out. Okay, let's clear what Sharp have put in for line 1. To do that, you press the delete button until all of it's gone, and now we can type in what we want. Well, first of all we need to put it in capitals. If you don't put it in capitals, the first letter will be caps and then all the others will be lowercase. So to get caps lock on, you press the PO caps button, and then because we want double size letters we can press the RFDC button, and we can now see that the W has appeared and our A has been highlighted. The W means you're in double size mode and the highlighted A means you're in caps lock mode. Just a word of warning on the double size letters: if you use double size letters you can only have 12 characters on a line. If you use standard size letters then you get 24 characters. Obviously because our shop name, the space shop, is only 8 letters, then we can fit that in easy. Okay, how to enter the letters. Obviously all your letters are controlled by the 0 to 9 keypad, so every number has multiple letters on it, so it's a bit like texting. So to get the T, because that's the first letter, you just press number 2 button once. H is here and it's the second letter, so you need to press that button twice, and the same with the number E, you press the number 9 button twice. Your space button is here on the 0. S, you have to press the number 1 button 4 times, and then for the H again it's twice on number 4. Your O is on number 6 and it's the last one, and then the P, nice and easy, is the first one on number 1. So we've now done the first line of a header message. So we can scroll down using the arrow down button, and then use the arrow across button to get to the start of line 2, and then if we press the delete button we'll get rid of Sharp's standard one. Okay, on this line we don't want it in double size. There's 2 reasons for this. We want our top line to stand out more because this is just the address we're putting in now, and also we've got too many characters to have it on double size. So if we press RFDC, that gets rid of the W, so you're now just in normal character mode. The first thing we need to do is now put it in number mode, because if I try and type in the number 1 for my address I just get the different letters appear. Let's delete that, and then if you press the text cross button twice you'll see a number 1 replaces the A. That now means you can enter numbers rather than letters. So we'll pop in number 18 say, and then to get back to letter mode you press the text button twice, so you're now back to A. You can put in your space and then we'll type in the rest of the address. Okay, now we've got to a case where we've got the same letter reoccurring, so we've got to put in a second E after our first E of street. If we try and put in the second E, it just keeps changing the first one. So we need to save that first. All you do is press the auto menu arrow across button, and that will cursor you along, freeing you up to put in your second E. Okay, line 2 is now finished, so again, scroll down to line 3, arrow across to the start, press the delete button, so you've got a nice clear line to start with. Now we're going to put in our VAT number, so let's just quickly pop in VAT space N, and because the O is on the same button as N, we're going to arrow across. There's our O, so we've got VAT, no, space, and if we press text twice, it takes us into number mode, so we can type in our VAT number. Let's keep it nice and simple. And then now, because we've only got a 3-line header message, we're actually finished. If you've got the 6-line header message or the 3-line header message and 3-line footer message, you can carry on and edit lines 4, 5 and 6 however you want them. You might want to put your phone number in or a brief thank you message. But once you're done, which we're done now, you press the green TLNS button. That saves what you've done and it takes you back to the program menu. You press the escape cancel button a couple of times and let's see if it's worked. And the first time you print the receipt out, what everyone does is go, oh blimmin' heck, I've changed my logo message and it hasn't done anything. But don't worry, the till, when it prints a receipt, it prints the header message of the next receipt while it's printing the current receipt. So if we put another sale through, it's now had a chance to acknowledge what we've done to change it. And there we go. On the receipt header we've got the shop, 18 Main Street, and then our VAT number. If you visit the Sharp Help website, there's plenty more technical videos on how to do various things on all the Sharp XEA range of cash registers. Thank you for watching.